Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vijay Shanti. Hope you all doing great. Today's topic is gonna be impossible places in the world. I searched a few impossible places in the world and I thought, why am I not sharing this with you guys? So yeah, that's why I'm here today. Without wasting time, let's get into the video started. The first place is Devil's Kettle. The location is Minnesota. It is in US. The park name is George C.R. Magney State Park. The waterfall divided into two due to rock formation of normal waterfall. Brule River to continue on. The water on the other side falls into a hole and disappear. It is unsafe people to explore. The second place is Hesdalen Lights. The location is Norway. Hesdalen lights are unexplained lights observed in a 12-kilometer long, which is approximately 7.5 miles. They appear both day and night, and it seems to float through above the valley. They appear usually bright white, yellow, and red in color. The duration of phenomenon may be few seconds to an hour. The third place is Lake Karachay. It is also called as Lake Karachach. It is located in Russia. It is a small lake in the southern Ural mountain in the central Russia. Starting 1951, Soviet Union used Karachach as a dumping site for radioactive waste from Mayak production. It is called as most toxic lake in the world and it is also known as most polluted lake. One hour near the lake can kill someone. The fourth place is Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle, also known as Hurricane Alley or Devil's Triangle. It is located in western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. The size of Bermuda Triangle is 500 square miles. The triangle between Bermuda, Florida and Puerto Rico. According to US Navy, there is no such thing as Bermuda Triangle, but they cannot explain why aircrafts and ships disappear in past. More than 50 ships and 20 airplanes and people have disappeared with no good explanation. The fifth place is Doubletree. In Italian, the Doubletree is known as Bialbero di Casazzo, which is also called as Grana Doubletree. It is situated between Grana and Cazorza in Piedmont, in Italy. It is a mulberry tree on which a cherry tree grows. The cherry tree rises well above the mulberry tree on which it stands. See how beautiful it looks. The sixth place is Boiling River. A river system is Amazon River. The Boiling River's local name is Shanai Timpishka. Deep into the Amazon, there is a 4-mile river that kills, which is approximately 6.4 kilometer river that kills anything that enters into the water alive. It is known for the very high temperature of its water from 45 degrees Celsius to nearly 100 degrees Celsius. யூஸ்வலாக ரிவர் அவ்வளோ டெம்பரேச்சர் இருக்கிறதுக்கு காரணம் வால்கனோ எதுனா பக்கத்தில் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் அவ்வளோ டெம்பரேச்சர் இருக்கும். பட் த நியரஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் 700 kilometers away. Scientists believe there may be a fault line beneath the earth, but yet to prove. The seventh place is Petrifying Well. It is located in UK near the towns of Knaresborough, lies on the bank of Nid River. The Petrifying Well is a pay-to-enter tourist attraction. One time they believed it's a magic or a witchcraft. The cave entrance mildly resembles a skull. The strangest thing is that anything that touches the water of the cave turns stone. If an object is placed into such a well and left there for a period of week, month or a year, the object acquires a stone exterior. Scientists found that the water of cave have high mineral content. but they cannot explain how it happens quickly. That's it for today. Hope you all like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. Let me know in comment section which place you want to go. See you guys next week. Bye bye.